Hello, my name is Soumya Sharma and I am from BBA second year. Before I get into my life, I would like to tell you that I am doing an internship with Lucasi Private Limited, and I would like to thank my college and training and placement department for that, so that I can enhance my skills and get a corporate exposure in my life. And at this time of lockdown where everyone is losing their job, our college is working too hard for every student so they can do something productive at this time and can utilize their time without wasting it. So I like to thank my college and training and placement department for that. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Priya Chaudhary, student of BBA second year. Presently I am working in a very reputed company named Lucasi Private Limited, Noida, as a business development intern. And a special thanks to our TNP.
Hello everyone, Lavi Agarwal this side, college student of MBA first year. So I am very glad that I have been selected as an MBA intern in Avro Industries, which is basically a plastic molded furniture company. We have attended an online session just few days back, in which they told us about how they are working, how do we have to attend the customer, how we have to cooperate with the customers. We have learned a lot and hope to learn a lot in future as well.
Hello everyone, my name is Prerna, pursuing MBA from High Tech Institute. Currently I am working as an intern in Helm 360, for which I would like to thanks to the TNP department for giving this wonderful opportunity, and I would like to thanks to the CCP department for providing wonderful trainings, mock sessions, so that we can grab this opportunity. So thank you. And here is my elder sister Shefali, and she wants to say some few lines upon this.
Hello everyone. I would like to thanks to the management who are providing the internship to the students, and I would also like to thanks to the management for putting such efforts to provide the online classes for the students at home itself, and also putting such efforts in this pandemic situations.
Hello everyone, I am Varsha Singh. It's an honor for me to be a part of High Tech Institute, which has provided me the opportunity to develop and create a better self. I completed my schooling from Dehradun Public School, and after completing BCom, I stepped into High Tech Institute of Technology and Management. The college provided me the freedom to express myself and help in personality development as well as improving the communication skills. The college held classes from time to time to improve the personality and communication of the students. The college provided a great platform to be a part of a known organization, that is SARPSI Global Services. The teachers always guided us to do our best. Last but not the least, I am very happy to be a part of this institute.
Hello everyone, my name is Govind Agarwal and I am pursuing MBA from High Tech Institute of Engineering Technology, Ghaziabad. Currently, I am doing internship from a reputed company, Helm 360, as an intern in finance department. And this could only be possible because of my college. High Tech College is a college where you can find an amalgamation of learning, fun, culture, literature, and many such preaching activities. I am thankful to Training and Placement Cell.
Hello everyone, I am Tarun Rathi, pursuing MBA from High Tech College of Engineering and Technology. In this pandemic, it is very hard to find jobs or an internship, but our college is very much grateful for us for providing an opportunity for an internship in an international corporate, which is Halem 360, which is situated in US. It is a great opportunity for me as a marketing intern. I have learned many things from past 1.5 months. The faculty and staff members of TNP department and placement cell is very much helpful and supportive.
Hello everyone, I am Himanshi Sharma, pursuing Bachelor of Journalism and Mass Communication from High Tech Institute of Engineering and Technology, Ghaziabad. It is said that the most important thing for a student is good guidance, and in this case, I would call myself very lucky. HIT has prepared such a platform for us to understand what media and mass communication is all about. HIT gives me many opportunities to visit various news channels like India Today, Sudarshan, and many more, as well as build up my questioning skills and confidence to point out my questions. And now, while everyone is sitting at their home in this pandemic situation of coronavirus, HIT gives me an opportunity to do an internship with Saucy Media from home, where I'm getting to learn a lot. I'm very thankful to HIT for this internship.